Good afternoon. Today's video is going to be how to plan for a party. So you're having a barbecue or a wedding or a christening or whatever it might be, and you want to know when to put products on so they kick in just at the right time. Join me today and I'll show you how, and also how to strim and how to do those extra special bits just to elevate your garden to the next level so your neighbours are well gel. So for this job I have a Stihl FS45 strimmer. Notice how I use one piece of cord only. I don't use too vigorous for this kind of job. I have a loose handle so it enables me to swivel when I need to. So just look at that now, just one cord. Two is just overkill. And remember, the difference between a great job and a good job is to give the garden a good blow. Right, job's a good one. Now you're ready to host your party or whatever event it is. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. Please, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button so you can find out first when I upload a video. Let's just have a quick look over the job. I think you'll agree it's looking mighty fine. To my American friends over there, mighty fine. And edges all straight, borders all tidy, paths all clear, edged lovely. Let's just have a little look. Yep, I'll have that every day of the week. Lovely and straight. Give it a go yourself, see what you think. But other than that, take care. And I'll just leave you for 5 seconds just so you can have a proper look. See you again.